All right, obviously looking at where we're at so far, it's not that impressive. So let's jump in to the dashboard and I'll show you how to pull in demo content with Salient. So with the X theme, if you remember, it had a little X up here. And you'll notice with Salient, it throws its own menu kind of halfway down the sidebar. So another indicator of how different developers think differently when they create their themes. So you can either click here or you can dive right into one of the submenu items if you want. We're going to go down to Demo Importer. So I'll click on that. And now you can see we have lots of demo content that we can bring into our site. There's actually a lot of great options, so definitely take the time to check these out. What we're going to do right now, though, is import this minimal portfolio. So I'll go ahead and click Import Demo and click OK. And what it's doing now is it's actually downloading any images and all of the content files it needs to create this demo. So it might pull in some background images, but I've noticed some of the images are just gray placeholders. So again, depending on your internet speed and whichever demo you click on, it could take a while. It could go pretty fast. So we'll let this kind of do its thing real quick. All right, and once that's done, we can jump back to the main site and we'll see that the navigation we had originally set up is working. You'll notice though the home page doesn't look right and neither does anything else yet. So let's go take a look at why. I'm going to go back to my dashboard and first let's go down to Appearance and then Menus. And now you'll notice that I've got Select a Menu to Edit. If I click on this, there's another menu in here now. So it brought in its own menu for the theme. So I'll click on that Minimal Portfolio menu. I'll click Select. And now that'll be the menu over here in my menu structure. I'll scroll down and I'll choose this top navigation menu and hit Save Menu. Now let's bounce back over to the main site and you'll notice our pages are correct now. So if I click on the About page, it's the actual About page for our theme. But you'll notice we've got all these short codes and all this gibberish. So let's take a look at that. Let's jump back to our dashboard. And those are the plugins. Let's go see what's going on there. So what we need to do is I still have some remnants of the other blueprint. We still have this Cornerstone plugin. Let's deactivate that. That was an X theme thing. I'll go ahead and hit delete. Click OK. And then the Salient Visual Composer is installed, but it's not actually active yet. So let's click Activate. And now let's go take a look at our site. We'll click on the About page. That looks a lot better. Let's click on our contact page. And that looks much better as well. So now let's go back and let's go to our settings and then go down to reading. And let's turn off the Your Latest Posts on the home page and instead make it a static page. I'll click on that and let's go choose our Home-Minimal Portfolio. And we will click Save Changes. Let's jump back over here and take a look. And that looks a lot better. All right, so you can see right away that this is a pretty impressive portfolio. It's got some really subtle animations that look slick. If I drag my window smaller, you can see it's responsive, which is awesome. All right, we are one step closer to our portfolio. So now let's go ahead and drill into how to customize our site in the next video.